Welcome back to Real Life Minecraft with Open the Land Chastity. Say hey. Let's go punch some trees and get some sticks. You punch that tree, I punch this tree. Wait, no, switch trees.
Why?
'Cause
How many times do you have to punch it?
5 times. Pick it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just shove it up my butthole.
Shove it up my butthole?
Now let's go. Off and away. Some Minecraft. 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 This is the end of today's Minecraft video. Leave a like and subscribe if you like Minecraft. Bye.
Bye.